The African savanna shimmered under the late afternoon sun, its tall golden grass swaying like waves in a warm sea of light. Acacia trees stood scattered across the horizon like patient guardians, and far off, wildebeest grazed in peace. Flocks of birds painted arcs across the cloudless sky, their wings glinting in the sun. A young velvet monkey darted through the grass, a silver-gray streak of joy and curiosity. His black eyes sparkled as he chased the wind, leapt at insects, and reveled in the wild rhythm of the savannah. Then something caught his eye, tall, foreign, and rusted. An electric pole, out of place in this natural world. He approached it cautiously, sniffed the metal. With nimble fingers and sure feet, he climbed, up past bolts and cables, reaching the transformer unit. He paused, reaching out with a tiny hand. Then a crack of electricity, sudden and violent. A blue-white flash split the sky. The monkey convulsed as voltage surged through his body. His scream was sharp, painful, and then he fell. His body struck the earth with a dull thud. The savannah stilled. Not even the birds moved. At the edge of a nearby village, an elderly woman had been carrying water when she saw it happen. The pot shattered at her feet. Heart pounding, she hurried toward the scene. Villagers gathered. Children stopped playing. Men stepped from their homes. A shaken voice made a call to the wildlife rescue helpline. "There's a monkey. He touched the pole. He's not breathing. Please hurry." Chime dragged. But then, on the horizon, a cloud of dust. A wildlife rescue jeep barreled down the dirt track and stopped with a skid near the fallen monkey. Two medics leapt out. One carried a medical kit, the other a folded saline drip. They moved quickly. The monkey lay limp in the grass, his chest still, his fur scorched. The woman knelt first, fingers pressing gently over his heart. Nothing, no breath. "We've got a chance," the man whispered. "Start CPR." He began compressions, careful, rhythmic, over the monkey's tiny chest. The woman delivered mouth-to-snout breaths. She hung the saline drip from a stick, inserted the needle, and clipped a monitor to his foot. A soft beep echoed, faint but present. Minutes passed like hours. Sweat ran down the man's face. Then a twitch. The monkey's tail moved. His eyelid flickered, a weak, raspy breath. The medic let out a breath of her own, smiling through tears. "He's back." They carried him beneath the shade of a baobab tree where a makeshift station waited. An oxygen mask was fitted over his snout. His burns were cleaned, his limbs wrapped in soft gauze. A blanket covered his trembling frame. The breeze moved through the grass like a sigh of relief. As the sun dipped low and painted the world in shades of gold and amber, the monkey stirred again. This time not as a patient, but as a survivor. His black eyes opened slowly. A thin sound escaped him. A weak but living chirp. One of the medics placed a slice of banana near his mouth. Slowly the monkey reached out with a bandaged hand and took it. A bite, a breath. Hope fully formed. Days passed. Under careful watch he healed. His strength returned. His eyes brightened. And then, one morning, the team brought him back to the same savannah where it all began. The crate door opened. The monkey hesitated, looking once more at the faces of the people who'd brought him back from the edge. Then, with a flick of his tail and a glint in his eyes, he leapt into the tall grass. He disappeared, swallowed by the wild. Free, above him, birds flew high against a sky now tinged with lavender. The wind whispered its approval, soft and constant. And somewhere in the golden stillness, a quiet heartbeat echoed, the sound of life that chose to return. Hey viewers, if you like the video, subscribe the channel, like the video and leave a comment.